Hey y'all, welcome back to our channel. It is me, Vonda, your girl. So in today's episode, I know you saw that title, so we just gonna be talking about how to level up on your job, because right now them prices are through the roof, through the sky, just out of there. So we're gonna be talking about that today because your girl was struggling 6 months ago. Not whoop whoop, but now we are doing good. I want to make sure that you saw my last video because baby, she bought a new car. She bought a new car, new luxury, fully loaded AMG Mercedes, okay? A mom van to a Mercedes. So I'll leave the card up, the video up in the cards. You can check it out. So we're just gonna stop rambling. Let's address the elephant in the room. She is greasy. I don't know why, because without the lights, I am not. But okay, that's it. So, leveling up at the job you at. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you my experience so you can take some of this and, finesse it how you need to. I was working at my job. I started off part-time sometime, okay? Part-time sometime. So I noticed, I let my supervisor / owner / friend know, hey, give me some more hours. When somebody call in, hey, I'm available. Of course, we know those ways. Here's what I did. I sat back and watched to see what the owner was missing. Okay? You see what the owner of the company is missing. Then you provide that service for them for a fee. Okay, again, remember, I was part-time sometime. My check was like $330, $306, three something. The early threes, like the top threes, not the later, like $380, $390, $400. It was the top threes. So I knew that would not cut it. Okay, I was trying to get to $1,000, $1,500 a week. Okay, but I'm at $300, and I gotta get to $1,000, $1,500. So I saw what the owner needs for this company, and that's what you have to do. See what the company needs. You present something to the owner of the company. Don't just go there talking, okay? Type up something, let them know how you can add value to them. Now, you gotta already know how much more money it's gonna cost you to do that service for them. Don't let them dictate how much money you're gonna get from them, because then you might get the low end of the stick. So when you go to them with something typed out on paper. If you can't type it, write it out in your best handwriting and take it to them and say, hey, I noticed you're missing X, Y, and Z. I can provide that service to you for X amount of dollars additional to my check every 2 weeks or once a month. Okay? So that's what you do for that. Then, because that's what I did, I noticed that I started with something small. So I started with creating documents, because the documents that where I was needed to be updated. No shade, no none of that. They need to be updated. So I did that, and then I was like, let me sit back and see what else that they are needing, that they are missing. So I started offering additional services. My friend and the owner may be watching, so I'm not gonna go off into all that. But I started offering additional services. And so what I'm trying to say is that, but this as well, use your talents. Sometimes we discredit a lot of our natural talents. Like for me, it's talking and being organized. I love everything about being organized. I write down everything. You see that calendar right there? I got another calendar over there that's in the screen. Like, I love everything about being organized. So those come natural to me. I'm not gonna discredit them any longer, because now I have 3 companies that are paying me. Remember, I was part-time sometime, and before that I was a freelancer at the beginning of January. So now I have 2 companies that hire me to keep them organized and do some payroll, and I have one social media company that hired me to post on a social media account. That's a big one right there. Look for these small businesses and see their, because it is a group where, you buy things. So I was already in the group, and I just so happened to be scrolling and see that they need a social media person. Okay, think of your price first before you go to them. Don't let them tell you, oh, I'm small, but I can only, stand on your price. Unless it's like your very first one and you need to get some experience, then you can negotiate. You see that fly? I will smack the hell out of his ass. Sorry. So you want to get some experience too. So just keep your eye out for that. And if you're not in a group, then you can post on social media. Hey, I'm offering resumes. I do resumes. From when I started 20 years ago to now, I've upped my price. So I'm really good at resumes and cover letters. So I offer resumes, cover letters with like for a bundle deal. And it depends on how long it takes me. So now I know it takes me, you see that? Now it takes me about 2.5 hours. So now I'm at $99 because I gotta rack my brain. I used to be less than that, 40 to 60, and I would get more clients, but I would be stressed. So I need them to be stressed and not me to be stressed. So hold on, don't fall. Y'all, why is this fly? It wasn't even a fly in here before I started. Okay, let's focus. So sorry. So what I was saying was, get back on track. How you can add value to a company. So you're gonna see if the company is missing anything. If your company that you work for is straight, it's a big Fortune 500 company, get on social media, make you a flyer on Canva, and then post it on your wall, and ask your friends and family to share it, saying that you're offering a certain service, because now, to be honest, can't nobody just have one job. You got to have one job and a couple side hustles. What if you're good at braiding? If you can braid, this is the perfect time. If you're good at cutting hair, if you're good at detailing and washing cars, because I definitely would love that. What about mowing the grass? You can mow lawns from 6 o'clock in the morning here in Texas. The sun is up at 6, because sometimes I go to work at 6. So you can do from 6 to 11, 6 to 12. Pet sitting. People are always going out of town on vacation, and it's summertime right now at the recording of this video. So what I'm saying is, I went from one freelance job to 5 jobs. Each one of them I love. So you can offer services to small companies, okay? If asking if you're good at being organized, or if you're good at creating flyers, if you're good at setting up business accounts, on Google, that's a big thing, so that companies can get clients. Don't discredit your talent, okay? Because a lot of times, so many people do that. I work with clients that discredit their talents all the time, or they think that nobody is going to support them or buy whatever they're offering. Don't do that. God made us all unique. He gave us all different talents, and we need to utilize them, especially with the way prices are. Okay? That's all I got for you today, guys. Leave me some comments down below. I'll be down there talking to you guys because I really enjoy that. And I will be posting another video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Yes, I got a lot of men viewers. Hey, guys. I don't see no women. What my women at? Y'all show me some love. Let me know in the comments if you're a woman. Because according to my analytics, it says only men. What's up with it? And y'all push that subscribe button. Okay? Bye, guys.